My name is Miguel Martinez Ramos. I am working in the Institute of Ecosystem and Sustainability of the National University of Mexico. I am particularly interested in the study of tropical rainforest ecology. It's very important because this association promotes the research, the education and outreach with the different sectors of society in order to get the objective of conservation and understanding how the tropical life evolve, is maintained in the present, and also how we can provide rational or sustainable use of the tropical resources, and also issues about restoration of these tropical ecosystems. Okay, the meeting, well, I have involved in the organization of two meetings, one in Morelia in 2007 and now in Merida in this year. And it's very important because not only provide the venue for the interchange of results of the research and the studies in professors and researchers, but also very important for the young students that can have the opportunity to hear and to also to participate in disseminating the results of the science. And that component of the young researchers is very important for the future of not only of this tropical biology field, but also in advanced science in general, and their collaboration with other sectors of the society for conservation of this tropical biodiversity. Yes, my first ATBC meeting was in the 80s when I was still as a PhD student, and for me it's the best way to communicate my research. I am tropical biologist, tropical ecologist, and represent my major association in the world where we can find colleagues working in my field. But also, I think that tropical biology is very important because it represents an area where you can provide information for the conservation of most of the life, of diversity of life in the planet. Because, for example, in the tropics we find more than 50% of the total species known on Earth. Then, since I was a student, I was wondering how this amazing tropical diversity emerged, trying to understand not only the evolution but also the ecological mechanisms through which this diversity is maintained in a natural ecosystem, but now in environments that has been transformed by humans. Yeah, ATBC will provide, I think, a way to communicate with the politics, with the people making decisions in the different countries, and also with businessmen and with the civil sector, the campesinos, farmers, and so on. And I think that the ATBC must to be one of the leaders trying to link these different components of the society in order to pursue the sustainable conservation and sustainable use of the tropical biodiversity and ecosystems. I think that I will tell them that the opportunity to contribute for the future generations, for our children and grandchildren for the future, is in their hands, because the knowledge that they can provide for the future generation working with association with us at ATBC is really very important. ATBC also is not only an association of professors and researchers and students, also it's a family. I found for many years the friends from different countries, and every year I can enjoy the company and also share the dream of making a different world.